I don't trouble people, I just take it and take, if me a ball in my house, my ball in my house. I take my beat now.
Oh, them say Rebel can't dance, but God believe me tired of, you know, Rebel. A whole heap of boy out there, me see a pop move. A whole heap of boy out there pop move. Rebel is not Jamaica's biggest dancer, lie.
People can't take so much and no more. And everybody got strong like me. Every day.
Somebody say my bad mind. Look on the whole of rebel dance move, them and come back, come tell me me still bad mind, my love.
Wagwan, my families and friends. Make we get straight into the video, yeah. So guys, I see where Rebel took to her social media. And she is saying that she is fed up, you know. She said there comes a time in life where your cup run over. She said people always a drag her, or bring her down, a beat her, but and she never really paid them no mind, but she tired of it now. She said every day so. And she mostly aim at Shebada, you understand? Because I don't know, but Shebada, him always have a problem with Rebel. And after Swissley party, Shebada, he went live. And you know him did that bring down Rebel, him a drag Rebel. Oh, Rebel tough and look like man, and Rebel can't dance. And Rebel is not the best female dancer in Jamaica. Guys, if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. You're watching The Scoop with Michelle. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment, and we could talk about it.
The Scoop.
So as me I say, guys, Shebada, him take a set for Rebel over the years. You know him always talk bad about Rebel. For what reason, I don't know. But him have a problem with Rebel dancing skills. And we know say Rebel a bad dancer. Yeah, man, we know say Rebel a bad dancer. Every dance move will come in. You have to say a Rebel create most of them. You understand? A Rebel, she bigger yard and she bigger broad. She's a choreographer. Yeah, man, she's a bad choreographer. She used to dance with TC, Pretty, Fish Spice back in the day. And to all Shebada, she even break her arm one at the time because she go above and beyond when she perform. You understand? She in a whole music video too. So I don't know how Shebada I say Rebel can't dance. Well, Rebel I say she fed up. She tired. She can only take so much. Rebel say when I say she tough and look like man. You know, remember say she come tell you say she's a boy. See my bag here. My name is Roy. Yeah, she tired and you know man.
I get book come right up. Me not ask Collins me like Kabalik. And I don't trouble people, I just take it and take, if me a ball in my house, my ball in my house. I take my beat now. Every day, sir. Suppose me did really hard. I'm full of money and sit now. No, sir. People can't take so much and no more. And everybody got strong like me. Every day. Those are beat you, sir. Beat you, sir. But anyways, it's not about her. But now look me there, because the most them can say my favorite man or me an industry say industry that. But remember, me come out first and say I am a boy. There's nothing you can tell me, nothing. I am a boy, see my bag here. My name is Roy, I am big. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Busty youths, we know the story. What else? Moving right along. And the people that want your trouble here is so... Damn.
Me say Rebel say the people them we are trouble you, them never stay good. Them never turn good. And it's not lie. We don't need to live up for the girl, man. Rebel, she a come from afar. She push herself. She's a cute girl, she shape good and she have her talent. Only leave her alone now, man. Just let she be because Rebel is unproblematic, you know. Unproblematic. You understand? Me never see Rebel give herself no trouble. She a trouble nobody. Me never see she a criticize nobody. So you must just leave her alone, man. Make she live her life. You understand? Yeah, man. Make she live her life. Shebada full time now you ease up for some people, you know. A full time now you ease up, Shebada. You go to her to man.
The child cannot dance anymore. Them move the report you know. Hey, you work them, move them like how spice didn't work, you know. You abuse them, move them on. Me say every time you see rebel shuffle to the side. But you sweet boy. Somebody say my bad mind. Look on the whole of rebel dance move them and come back come tell me me still bad mind, my love. Cause all you are waste your vision.
Shebada say anybody with the rebel can dance, them need eyeglasses. Yeah. Him say we're not blind because him say a whole heap of youth out there we can dance more than rebel. Him say a people are hype up rebel and him no want rebel build no more dance because of the same dance move rebel a do over and over. Guys, let me know in the comment if you don't agree with Shebada. Say at the same dance routine rebel a do to every song. Or Shebada for just leave rebel alone and make she survive. Shebada say rebel last too long right now because not even Bogle did last so long. Not even Bogle last so long, Shebada say. Him say rebel need to visit the Edna Manley School of Dance because rebel need to learn some dance routine. Hey, Shebada no easy, you know?
No, why you build one more dance? Edna Manley I call you. Them have some new dance. No lies told. All the time when I hype up rebel, I see youth out there. Me see youth out there where body not dancing like crazy and create things. And then make rebel just a overshadow on so. Rebel cannot dance. Rebel can't dance. Enough now, rebel. Enough now. Not even Bogle did last so long. Now watch him move. No man, enough. In blood, not in blood. Enough now. I don't want nobody not talk. Nobody not talking. Nobody not talk. Rebel down. Enough is enough. Go sit down. Go lay down. Go rest your surgery. Tired for see rebel. I tired. Me say me I expect something. Me say all of the move them coming.
Shebada, just leave rebel alone. But sometimes when you talk, me have to laugh at people. I told when putting words together, you know? Me have to laugh more a while. But let me know in the comments if you don't agree with Shebada. Or Shebada if you just stop troll the young lady and leave her alone and make she go and do her thing because right now rebel hot, you know. Yeah man, rebel hot and she do her thing. So Shebada ease up her rebel. You hear that? I make she go and do her thing because she the biggest female dancer outside of Jamaica. If them call a dance competition right now, we are talking about when we say dancing, we are talking about who can do dance move, who can whine, you know, of the full package. We have to go send rebel. You understand? Yeah, man. But let me know in the comment, guys, what you think of this story. Remember to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. Big up on yourself. Thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. Remember to spread love. Walk good. I'm out.
Conley up to the time, you know.
Put them sing pan leaf, yes me ass. Up to the time, down to the minute. Some boy put them sing pan leaf, yes me ass. Most ride them out. Them a girl them like juicy beef. You know me worry. Timeless, time after time.